Melanin Hair Care Review Wash and Go How I Style My Hair, MsSassyPat. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this super cute wash and go using the Melanin Hair Care products. Starting on freshly washed hair. I section my hair in 4 parts. I'm going to start on the back first. I am using the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. And I'm putting some on my ends, and I'm just running the product through my hair. And I will do this on each section. Look at the curls, they're so pretty. Now I am using the Elongating Style Cream, and I'm running that product through my hair as well. And I will do the same process using the softening leave-in conditioner and the Elongating Style Cream throughout my hair, as well as using the multi-use pure oil blend. These products smell amazing. This is the view from the back. Now I will start on the front of my hair. When I'm doing my wash and goes, it's normally in the morning right before work, so I really don't have time to really do a defined wash and go, so I'm really just running the product in my hair, putting some oil, and just letting it go. So yeah, I'm just doing the same process using the leave-in conditioner and the Elongating Style Cream and the oil throughout my hair. When I'm doing my wash and go in the morning, I say it takes me about 6 minutes to complete this process. Oops, sorry, I used too much product. But it'll dry. So now I'm starting on the last section, using the leave-in conditioner and the elongating style cream and oil in my hair. And I'm going to use a little water because I want to reposition that part in my hair. So I'm just styling to see which way I like my hair to go. I let my hair air dry because I'm just doing it right before work, and I'm always late, so I'm really just trying to do my hair really quickly and just run out the door, and it will just air dry. I think it looks super cute. What do you think? I'm just gonna fluff some more because I love big hair. I just simply love it. So this is the view from the back. This style is so easy to achieve. This is the final look. Day 1, my wash and go. Day 2, I styled it in a fro hawk. Day 3, I did a high puff. Thank you for watching. My channel is to inspire. Are we friends yet? Follow me at MsSassyPat for daily hair inspiration. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. Bye!